everybody, Jim Ballard here. This video is all about getting this natural edge bowl to cut this tenon in here with a parting tool, and I'm going to work my way back and forth, and then we're going to come back and we're going to angle. We want to try to get a little concave up inside, not much, but enough to where the outer perimeter will be the only thing that sets on the table. So let's get started. Again, what I'm doing is I'm making two passes with this so that this doesn't get into a bind. So I'll go a little bit, back out, move over, meet it, and go a little deeper. And just keep bypassing back and forth until we get there. There's no set size that nub needs to be, except each piece, see, it's still pretty stout. So I can take it a little bit deeper. You just want to be real sensitive to that and keep going. You've got to check this every now and then. I don't feel any wobbling, and the more I get off now, the less I have to do in the end. I'm going to go a little bit more. It's starting to wobble just a little bit. And it's not that bad on the inside. At best, I'm going to say it's an inch in diameter, but this is a pretty heavy bowl. So now I'm going to remove it with a small Japanese saw. And there you have it. Do a little hand work off the lathe. That's the next step. It's the next video. So, till next time, I'm Jim Ballard. See ya. We got about a nub. And there you go.